Hey guys, so in this session we will talk about the proxy design pattern in Python. So here is an example. So what we have been doing here is, in this example we have an image interface with a display method, and that must be implemented by any concrete class that wants to be an image. We also have a real image class that implements the image interface and loads an image from the disk when the display method is called. Now the proxy image class is a proxy for the real image class. It implements the image interface, but it doesn't load the image from disk until its display method is called. If the real image hasn't been created yet, then the proxy image creates it and calls display method. If the real image has already been created, the proxy image just calls it display method again. Now we can use the proxy image class to create image as needed. This allows us to defer the creation of the real image until it's actually needed, which can be very much useful if we have a large number of images or if the loading the image is expensive. Now overall the proxy design pattern is a useful technique for controlling access to expensive or complex objects, and it can be particularly helpful in situation where object creation can be a bottleneck, or there can be some sensitive related data. Thank you.